Good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to wish back. Are you angry about something? Are you upset that you're going to leave the school finally? I'm sure it is a matter of a very, very, very grief that you are going to leave Bachpan and go to a bigger formal school after this, and your kids are going to miss their class teachers. You will miss conversing with the director and all of that. But I think to start a better journey, we need to give up on the current journey. Yes? Yes. So, good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Thank you for your response. A warm welcome to all of you present here on this delightful evening. Today we are here to celebrate a milestone in the lives of young learners. We are so proud of our little Bachpanites. They have learned so much, starting from letters to numbers to colors to sharing to caring and kindness. You made a bunch of friends as well and also had a lot of fun, dear Bachpanite. Dear parents, we want to really humbly thank you for all the love and support and the trust you have had at Bachpan Guntur, the directors, the teachers. They have not given up at any point to treat your child as their own child. They have given the best for your child possible, and with heavy heart we have to say a goodbye to your kids. You have the opportunity of talking to your kids every day because they're going to stay with you. We do not have an opportunity of meeting them, but one request we surely have is, whenever possible, please do come back and visit the school, visit the teachers, visit the directors. They're going to be super happy about the alumni. We wish our children to keep smiling, learning, having fun, and also to remember whatever they have learned at the school here. Once again, a hearty congratulations to all the little Bachpanites, dear ladies and gentlemen. Can we hear a huge round of applause for them? At this moment, I would like to take the opportunity to introduce our Bachpan parents to the new additions made at the school. We have come up with the Sprout curriculum this academic year. We have also introduced self-learning kit apart from the book kit and the stationery kit. Self-learning kit is a set of over 30 activities with material box for exclusively the Bachpanites to carry back home. So they use this kit at home. They use this so that they ensure that time is productively spent at home. It is also aimed to give a soothing quality to the parents along with the children. Also, we have introduced something called as the Star Kit, where the teacher will use this for doing multiple innovative activities during the class hours, also during the teaching hours. In this glorious occasion, dear ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to throw some light upon the fact that graduation ceremony isn't something where we all hear of from everywhere, but all thanks to our zestful directors, Lavanya ma'am and Yatin sir, for planning this event so beautifully for all of us. I wish it gets darker early so that you're able to get the entire feel of the lightings for what they have worked hard so much. They also say, to aim the stars, we also have to understand that you have to aim very high, for which we also have a couple among us who happens to be one of the most principled couples, very disciplined. They have been an example where humankind can succeed with persistence. So that couple happens to be the beloved directors of Bachpan Balagere, Suman sir and Krupa ma'am. We humbly welcome you to the show. Thank you for accepting the invitation and being with us today. To begin the auspicious event, we wouldn't go forward without welcoming you, dear parents. We are very happy. We have some grandparents joining us. We have some parents joining us. Thank you so much for making it possible today to be a part of the celebration of your child's bigger journey. And in order to begin this each ceremony here, we also have the tradition of lighting the lamp, where we welcome wisdom, knowledge and success in all our gatherings. This light of lamp represents hope, learning and new beginnings. It reminds us that education removes darkness and brings enlightenment. To do the honors, dear ladies and gentlemen, I welcome our beloved directors, Lavanya ma'am and Yatin sir, to please come forward for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I also request our humble guests, Suman sir and Krupa ma'am, to please come forward. I also request Manjula ma'am to kindly join for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं
जनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्राश्च पतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा
Kindly accept a small token of appreciation from our side. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for joining us. We are very happy to have you with us today.
Dedicated teachers and most importantly our little graduates, I welcome you all for this special occasion tonight. Today is a day of joy, celebration and pride. Today we are there to honor the achievements of our little graduates. So I wish them very good luck for their future. So definitely I would like to thank all the parents for your trust and support you have kept with us. And obviously I'll not forget our teachers, amazing teachers, for their hard work and dedication which made kids to learn with a joyful way. So and also I would like to thank one person here because it is very important for me to share this thing. Like where I was after marriage, I was not doing anything. Who introduced me to the field is one person sitting here, is my sister-in-law Krupa ma'am, director of Bachpan Balgere. I would like to thank her because still now she is a support and backbone for me. And also I would like to thank my husband for each and everything he stood with me. Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you. And I hope you will have a wonderful evening. Just enjoy. Our kids going to perform, they'll talk, they'll give a speech, everything. And I hope all our UKG parents will come again some other day when you are going others for other school also. I welcome you all to come and meet us one day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Thank you so much.
Easy, dear parents, to let go of the children who have been with us for a very, very, very long time. Don't you agree that when I say that your children have spent more time with us than with y'all? And especially these directors and teachers will always have an attachment to the kids made because of some mischievous thing they would have done in the class. And that is the example they will carry back home. You know, today what happened? This child in my class did like this. So for teachers, for us, for people who run a school, it is a part of our day-to-day life. For you all, it's that kind of a behavior which parents have, because back at home every day they do something mischievous, you take it very casually, but for us it is a very, very, very funny thing. Sometimes it makes us very angry, but for sure it's a memory for lifetime. So we are surely going to miss. I'm sure you would have heard, you would have heard that grief in her voice when she was giving the speech. She wants to vent out, but she's not able to. I'm sure she's going to miss all of the students who've been a part of the school. And I hope we are able to multiply the number of graduates year after year and try to cater to a lot of parents in the Gunjur vicinity, because what we provide at Bachpan is something challenging that no other preschools can provide in the same vicinity. A bigger round of applause to the teachers and the directors who have done such a beautiful job throughout. I think without further ado, it's time for us to head to the performances. Kids have been waiting to perform in front of you all. Please put your hands together and welcome the UKG Gardenia boys. Teachers, can we have the boys on stage? The participants are Rutvik Tiwari, Reyansh Tiwari, Vedic. We have Hasmit, Satvik, Rudransh, Sai Satvik, Amay Soni, Ayansh, Alupati, who are coming forward to basically give you a performance.
My dear girls, dear boys, dear teachers, Dari Guru Guruve, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru छोटी छोटी तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ ये जिंदगी है और क्या एक चुटकुला छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बतासे हाथों से ना जाने दे हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे रततता
Give them a bigger round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen.
ಸ್ನೇಹವನ್ನು
ಕಳೆದಿರೋ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ಎದೆಯ ತಂತು ಮಿಡಿದಿರೋ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಅಗಳಿಕೆ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಗೆಳೆಯ
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने है सपने अंबरां दे ए सपने अंबरां दे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर नाल समंदरा दे फिर नाल समंदरा दे ऐसे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना गम हमको तो हंसी सजते अड़े जनूनी बड़े है दिल के रंगों एक जिंदगी मेरी सवारिशा एक तुम्हें पूरी तरह एक जिंदगी मेरी सवारिशा एक तुम्हें पूरी तरह एक जिंदगी मेरी सवारिशा मुश्किल हमें रोकना
Thank you, dear children. A bigger round of applause once again, dear ladies and gentlemen. Ideally, I think this is the last performance they are giving at school. Yeah, because after this assessments and then we send them off. So it is indeed a very emotional moment for all of us. We wish all the very best to the UKG graduating kids. Would also like to quickly throw some light upon Academic Heights Public School that is associated with Bachpan. Bachpan's formal schooling it has to be ideally, and we have the owners as well with us. It is Suman Sir School only. So every graduating parent from nearby, all the Bachpans ideally speaking are going ahead and taking their admissions at Academic Heights Public School. Since it is a school exclusively designed for Bachpan children, there is a lot of offers given on the fee structure, as well as something very special what Bachpanites can avail is, in case a child is completing their UKG at Bachpan, any Bachpan, and if they come to Academic Heights Public School, the fee that is going to be received over there is first of all going to be very less compared to the fee structure told to the outside children. For example, per se if the school fees is around 1.5 lakhs, we come down to as low as per se 90,000, sometimes even 85,000 only for Bachpan parents. Point 2, any Bachpan parent coming up for UKG admissions, whatever fee structure they are going to pay for this academic year, we will be locking this fees for the next 2 academic years. That means for 3 years consecutively, you pay the same fees. We don't have any hike or any 10% increment every year after year, whatever every school does. We also do, but we don't do it for Bachpan parents. And that is what we are going to continue for the next 3 years. So if you are looking for a school that is going to be as friendly as Bachpan Gunjur right now, since our curriculum, the way of teaching, the content, everything remains Bachpan's only. So it's just a formal schooling of Bachpan. So in case you're looking for a formal schooling, it is put up at Vartur. If you have, I'm sure you will know good idea about this particular area. It's exactly per se less than 3 kilometers from here. Per se even 3.2 kilometers, you will find the school. It is going to be inaugurated in the month of March. You all will surely be invited. Kindly accept our invitation, take some time and come for the inaugural. It's a huge school spread across around 4 acres of land, and it has all the amenities within the school campus. That is all I want to talk about AHPS. Please put your hands together, dear ladies and gentlemen, and welcome the LKG children who are coming forward. Dear teachers, can we have the LKG children up? And the participants are Shivansh, Shivanshi, Daksh, Shrinika, Vihan, Dipender, Dhruv, Parushi, Anika, Arna, Adrit, Kiran, Medansh, Neel, Chetan, Dikshita, Shanvika, Ravizan Ali, Shri Danshika.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you.
Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
Give them a welcome, the LKG Daffodils boys. So Daffodils is the name of the class given to, every class has a specific name. So we have Gardenia, we have Daffodils, and these are the Daffodils boys coming forward to present a dance performance. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Aditya, Agastya, Aviram, Nikhil, Indrajit, Pranit Reddy, Pagulin, Shanmukha, Shriyansh, Vivan, and Ayansh.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy come one day. Well,
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
We will surely miss them as well. Thank you, dear children, for adorably performing for us. Okay, then it's fine. Any parents want to please be seated? There are chairs vacant behind. Here we welcome the Daffodil Girls of LKG. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Arna, Ira, Grishna, Harshini, Shanvika, Tanisha, Zia, Kritika and Sanika. Music.
ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗೋ ಹಾದಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇರು ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದುವೇ ಆದಿ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರುವೊಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯ ತಿದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗೋ ಹಾದಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇರು ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದುವೇ ಆದಿ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ 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 ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರುವೊಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನೂನು
Thank you so much, dear children. It is now time for us to move ahead with the medal distribution felicitation ceremony for the LKG kids. Let's go on one after the other. Can I request the directors to kindly do the honors? These medals are for the LKG children. Kiran, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want you to stop applauding now. Arna Kiran involves in all the activities and is enthusiastic to learn. You are the rising star. Thank you. Up next we have Adrit Ram. Adrit Ram, very cooperative, helpful to his friends. You are an optimistic observant. Lavanya ma'am, parents can receive the child there. The parents, when I call out, you can receive the child from the right side. Ayushman. Ayushman. Let's have Ayushman. A soft-spoken and a good academic learner. You are a promising star. Anika Sirvi. Let's welcome Anika Sirvi. Emotional, possessive and an observer. Good dancer and a singer. You are an adorable admirer. Chetan Ganga Sai, a very obedient and an excellent academic performer. You are the most energetic star. Daksh, let's welcome Daksh Jaivik. Good to see you as a friend, a very kind-hearted person and a good dancer. You are a fabulous friend. Up next, Dhruv Singh. Dhruv Singh, disciplined and determined. You are an independent star. Let's welcome Dikshita Sahu. Very much loving, caring and supportive. Good academic learner. You are a progressive star. Up next we have Dipender Rana. Can we have Dipender Rana? One who shares and cares about his classmates. You are a caring star. Up next we have Izan Ali. Yes, good academic learner and always brings something creative to the class. You are the most creative child. Kiran Vedansh. He's very good in sports and a very good academic learner. You are the most sportive person in the class. Up next we have Mahansh Polu. Mahansh happens to be the most cheerful and a guy who constantly smiles. A child with mostly having a winning attitude. You are the shining star. Neil S. Bardhan, jovial, very attractive and happens to be a child who has a very good flow of languages. An excellent academic performer. You are the most rising star. Parushi, can we have Parushi? A very talented child, has good talent in acting as well as in dancing. She is the dancing bunny of the class. Ravyanshi Patra is very caring about her friends. She is our merryful munchkin. Up next we have Shanvika Sahu. Shanvika Sahu, a great listener and a fabulous academic learner involved in all the activities of a class. She is a ray of sunshine. Shri Danshika. Let's welcome Shri Danshika. She's the most disciplined and a well-behaved child in class, and she's got adjusted to the school environment in the most shortest time possible. You are an all-rounder, darling. Lastly, we have Vihan Kumar, the most active boy in the class, who's a quick learner as well. Enters the class with a big smile always. He is an enthusiastic star. Thank you. Let's go ahead felicitating LKG Daffodils kids. Firstly, we have Aditya. Aditya, the most organized child of the class. Aditya. Up next, we have Arna Tyagi, our imagination star of the class. Arna Tyagi.
One couple bought an Amazon Prime membership. Whatever they order is delivered on the same day.
Latest smartwatch with 5% cashback on Amazon Prime. This hasn't been released. It has.
Up next, Ira Biswal, an awesome learner. Ira Biswal. Let's welcome Aviram. The next child is Aviram. He is a super scientist. Let's welcome Geeshna. She is our math mastermind. Up next we have Harshini. Madam is as it is confidence, but she also boosts confidence to the neighbors, her classmates, the confidence booster. Up next we have Indrajit. We have another math mastermind in the class. Indrajit. Up next we have Pagulan, the most active child in class, a shining star. Let's welcome Praneeth Reddy. Sir is a problem solver, basically the compro person, you know, when two people fight, it's okay, let's get fine. So he is the problem solver of the class. Up next we have the rock star of the class. And the last child from LKG Daffodils is Zia. Can we have Zia? A very good observer. She observes everything very cleanly. UG graduation ceremony. Can we welcome the first graduate? I request the directors to kindly do the honors. Thank you. Let's have Amay. Can we have Amay? Okay. One more cordless mic idea. Cordless mic.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ayan. I'm studying in Bachpan Play School, Gunjur. I would like to thank our management, teachers, and supporting stars for supporting me. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ayansh. You too have a good evening.
Take this and go that side. Okay.
Let's welcome Amay, dear ladies and gentlemen. Amay.
Stand it. You ladies. Let them come and talk to you.
Right. Music only. Oh, make leave this. Leave this. No. Hold it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ameshoni.
Talk.
I would like to thank our management, teachers, and supporting staff for their support. Thank you.
I think let them talk later now.
This is Amay, a very quiet, soft-spoken and a good academic learner. You are a laughing star, Amay Soni. Congratulations. Up next we have Vidya Sai. Volume coming. Up next we have Vidya Sai. Vidya Sai is absent. Let's welcome Ganishka. Ganishka, a very good demonstrator in her gross motor skills and has a very positive attitude. You are a sportive star, Ganishka. Vidya. Friendly, exhibits strong sportive skills. very, very aware about the sports. He happens to be our twinkle star, Hasmit. Khushi Rathod. Let's welcome Purnanshi. Purnanshi. Emotional, enthusiastic learner. You are the motivational star, dear Purnanshi. A hearty congratulations. Let's welcome Purvi. Purvi Yamineni. A child who thinks very positively and is very expressive in class. She is our power star, Purvi. Let's put your hands together and welcome Riddhi. Riddhi, a very obedient, kind and a respectful child. She is a shining star of the class. Up next we have Reyansh, Rutvik, let's welcome Reyansh Tiwari. Reyansh Tiwari, a very progressive and a friendly child. You are a sensitive star, Reyansh. Let's welcome Rutvik Tiwari. Can we have Rutvik on the stage? A very quick learner, expressive, sportive and fearless. He is our reliable Rutvik. Let's welcome Rudransh. Rudransh. Rudransh, who is joyous, relaxed and confident. You are the dancing star, Rudransh. Thank you, dear directors, for doing the honors. Can I request our chief guest, Suman sir and Kripa ma'am, to kindly do the honors? Let's welcome Rusha, a good learner, fearless and spontaneous. You are an independent star. Let's welcome Ruhika C. Naik. A very obedient and a progressive child in all the activities. The smiling star, Ruhika C. Naik. Let's welcome Siddhi. Siddhi, a very cooperative, helpful, and good in communication. Here we welcome our star, Siddhi. Let's welcome Satvik Rajput. Satvik, a very eager to learn child, likes to learn new concepts and demonstrates good writing skills in class. Let's welcome Sri Jnana Prasanna, an excellent academic performer, helpful and friendly, a motivational star. Let's welcome Sai Satvik. Sai Satvik, a hard worker, demonstrates good fine motor skills in the class. Our enthusiastic star, Sai Satvik. Let's welcome Vaidik Bangar, a fantastic follower of discipline, creative in all his works in the class. Here comes our innovative star, Vaidik Bangar. Let's welcome Vasavi Vritika. Attentive, looks forward to learn new things. She is super energetic in the class. Let's welcome Veda Viksha. Good to see as a friend and as a listener, she is super amazing. A very good dancer, a shining star. Let's welcome Tanera, implementing good efforts towards overall progress. Friendly and understanding, you are the best listener and the smiling star. Tanera Agarwal. Let's welcome Ira. A very good listener, shows positive attitude towards everything. You are a shining star. Thank you, dear directors, for doing the honors. Requesting Lavanya ma'am and Yatin sir to kindly join. All the UKG kids to kindly come forward for a group photograph. Teachers can bring the UKG kids for a... Right. It's now time for us to throw up the graduating caps. That's the tradition that we follow. And at the count of 3, they are going to throw up the caps high. So please ensure your phone video modes are on. Later, don't blame us. We can't do it again. Right. Children ready? Children ready? At the count of 3, you will do it. Parents, join with me. 1, 2, 3. Here we present to you the graduating batch of academic year 2024-2025. The teachers have trained them to throw it frontwards, not upwards. Great. Correct. Smart there. Dear teachers, please escort the students backstage. Parents, you can receive the children from precisely the office side maybe. That will be helpful.